Bulkspirits.co.ke is a trading company with high expertise in the brokerage, consolidating, packaging, and shipping of a wide range of beers, wines, and spirits from our base in Nairobi to customers in all 47 counties of Kenya. Today we'll be looking at the inventory page and how one can interact with the listings on the website and buy items after getting in contact with specific suppliers. Depending on your membership, the inventory page will display things differently. With a free account, a user can check the live prices of listed items but don't have access to the contact information associated with the products. For free accounts, aside from live prices, important information regarding the acquisition of these items will not be displayed. Users with a wholesaler's account at 600 Kenyan shillings a month and an importer's account at 5,000 Kenyan shillings a month will not only be able to check live prices of products on the inventory page, but also have access to contact information attached to each listing. They can use these contacts to directly buy from suppliers. On the left side of the inventory page, we've got the option to search by brand, variant, and size. These options can help one navigate their way to the exact item they are looking for. In the example shown, for the brand I entered 4 cousins. For the variant, I entered nut dry red. And for the size, I selected 1.5 liters, which led me to a listing with the exact specifications I was looking for. Below the search options tab, we've got a feature that can help the user search by category. One can limit their search to beers, brandy, champagne, creams, gin, and so much more. For those without a clear brand in mind, perusing the inventory page under these categories may help you in your decision. After searching for an item or when simply looking through listings on the inventory page, one can sort the results by date or price through the sort by section on the right side of the screen. For dates, one can sort by having the newest listings appear first, from newest to oldest, or the oldest listings available come up first, from oldest to newest. With price, one can have the lowest priced products listed first, from lowest to highest, or have the highest priced products appear first, from the priciest to the cheapest. On each listing on the inventory page, there'll be the brand name and its variant, the size of the item, the type, which is either import or local, the location the supplier is based at, and of course the price of the item. As established before, only wholesalers and importer accounts will have access to the contact information associated with any listing. Clicking on the camera icon on the top left side of the listing will enlarge the photo attached to the listing by the supplier and let the buyer have a better look at the item listed. When interested in a listing, you can further click on it and it will open a page specifically for the listing. There you can then access the seller's notes on the listed items. You can also press this gauge icon to add it to the compare page and have it compare to other items you've already added there. Bulkspirits.co.ke is designed for an optimal experience for both sellers and buyers. Visit today and access potential sellers or buyers for your products on the platform.